Atome Credit Card. So if you want to know the pros and cons of Atome Credit Card, then let's move on to the video. So the biggest selling points of the Atome Credit Card is that there's no annual fees, no sign-up fees, and pretty much no hidden charges. On top of that, you get instant approval and there's no minimum income requirement, which is perfect if you are just starting out or have a normal income. Plus, you can apply directly through the Atome app and you're good to go. So let's talk about the payment flexibility and credit limit. What I really like about this card is the payment flexibility. You can spread out your purchases over time without paying any interest. So if you're buying a new gadget, you can split the payments up to 45 days, giving you a bit of breathing room. Plus, it has a credit limit of up to 200,000 pesos, which is a decent option for those bigger purchases too. Now let's talk about the limitations. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider. For instance, the Atomic Credit Card doesn't offer some of the perks you might find with most of the traditional credit cards. For example, there's no cashback, no points, and no travel rewards. So if you're someone who loves racking up miles or earning profit on every swipe, this could be a downside. And unlike cards that offer comprehensive travel insurance or extended warranties, Atome keeps things pretty basic. So in conclusion or overall, Atomic Credit Card is a solid choice if you want a card that keeps things straightforward, with no fees and no interest, and easy approvals. Well, that's for this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.